February 13th, it finally came. This is what comes in the box of the Samsung Galaxy 23 Ultra. It is small, clamshell open. There it is. I don't know what this is. Not sure what that is. There's the device. I ended up getting the exclusive on Samsung's website. Here's last year's phone. Literally look exactly the same. They're literally the same. The 22 Ultra is a little bit more round. 23 Ultra has a little more boxy feel to it on the chassis. But the 23 is literally similar to the 22 Ultra. Turning it on for the first time. We'll let that sit. In the meantime, I've got a bunch of other products here that I bought that pair well with the device. Make sure you check the channel here for a review of all these products.